Hey guys, I'm back for another one today. I'm going to be making another cat mask, and I'm going to use off these funny ones from Dollar General before I start using the actual ones I got, which I did get some from Amazon, and I got a couple Fox ones too. So, let's get to it. I'm going to be using a thing I saw on Pinterest to make a spider mask because spiders are cool. This is gonna be so cute. I love this. Like, genuinely, I have not gotten far at all, as you can see, but I love this already. This is not sharp. Sharp enough to cut skin, I suppose, but not enough to make me actually bleed. So let's see if this will actually does. I suppose it is sharp enough to cut through this. I wasn't sure. My cat is sitting under my desk on the package my new monitor came in. I guess this is the reason why the other masks are better, because these ones have all this fabric on it and it's really annoying. That's okay. Oh, look at that. That works. Progress. I'm loving it. And there we go. A little more right here. My friend is texting me the entire plot line of the movie Frozen in like 5-word sentences and emojis. Perhaps I should have put it on before these. Could still take this off, but I don't want to. We're gonna just do our best here. A hack I found is put a little bit of hot glue at the end of the hot glue stick and then put it in. That way you don't have to hold it. Time for new stick to be added. Got the front done. Why is the felt harder to cut than the mask? Dang. I decided to use my mannequin that I just made earlier today. If you want to go to video, check that out. I'll put it in the little watch next thing. Doesn't like to stand up by itself yet, but let's finish this up now. I'm really liking how this is turning out. I don't usually paint with greens much, especially like lime green, but I think this looks really good.